Good evening. I'm Cherie Stokes, the Executive Director for Tech MGM, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to this year's innovateAFITC Hackathon and Cyber Challenge. Like last year, we will collaborate and conduct our pitch finale at our innovation facility, the Lab on Dexter, which is located at 150 Dexter Avenue, one of the most historic streets in our nation. This facility features co-working and collaboration spaces, small business office suites, and space for tech and entrepreneurial training. It's an awesome facility, and we look forward to you engaging with us throughout this year's hackathon event. innovateAFITC is hosted by Tech MGM, the Montgomery AFCEA Chapter Education Foundation, Innovate Alabama, and the CIO of the Air Force, Miss Lauren Knausenberger. This year's challenge will use Google AR/VR technology training, tools, and support to all of our participants throughout the course of the competition are available online and virtually. We appreciate all of our sponsors, volunteers, and participants and look forward to having an awesome competition this year. So let's delve into the specifics. Each team is composed of high school or college students, industry IT professionals, or government personnel. Every team will compete in both events, the App Build and Pitch and esports. For the App Build and Pitch, each team will create innovative technology solutions using Google AR/VR technology. Stakeholders from the education, hospitality, and logistics communities will be available to provide subject matter expertise throughout the weekend to assist in solutioning. In addition, an Agile Scrum Master and technical experts from market-leading companies will provide training sessions to prepare you for the weekend. The areas that you have to choose from are education, logistics, and hospitality. Details on each area's challenge can be found on our website, along with links to the technology stack. After you've chosen the area you would like to work on, you'll need to create a 3-minute pitch video that tells us about what you've built and also shows your solution working. Make sure to let us know your team name, the area you chose, and a technical challenge you encountered, and how you overcame it or not. You must email us an accessible link to view your video by 1 p.m. on Sunday, August 28th. Please include a short written description in your submittal. We will evaluate all of the submissions using the following criteria. Does the solution operate on either an Android or iOS? Does the solution use the device camera? Does the solution provide visual feedback to the user? Does the solution interact with changes within the real-world environment? Also, does the solution allow user input? How is the quality and professionalism of the video submission? And does the video meet the time requirement? Does the video acknowledge all team members, organizations, and schools? Does the video state a technical challenge that they had to overcome? And did the video address how they overcame the technical challenge? Also, how well written was the description? The top 5 teams will then advance to the final live round and will pitch for a panel of judges Sunday, August 28th at 5 p.m. at the Lab on Dexter. We are really fortunate to have an expert panel of judges, which include Dr. Jimmy Hull from the Alabama State Department of Education, Colonel William Young and Colonel Summer Clovis of the United States Air Force, Darrell Washington from the city of Montgomery, and Abe Harper from Innovate Alabama. There are lots of resources that are available on our website and YouTube channel to assist you with your app and build pitch. If you have questions while creating your application and/or your pitch video, connect with us on Slack, as we will be monitoring it throughout the entire competition. Just remember, everything must be submitted by 1 p.m. on Sunday, August 28th. The second portion of the competition, and probably the most fun, esports, which will be held on Friday night, August 26th, beginning at 7 p.m. The game of choice for the competition is Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on Nintendo Switch. The type of tournament will be 1v1 and a double elimination bracket format. Each team will receive a certain amount of points based on placement in the bracket. Make sure you have submitted the contact information for your team member that will represent you in the competition so we can get everything loaded into our online brackets. The bracket and matches will be organized and managed via Smash GG, so you'll need to create an account for that site. This way we can monitor multiple matches and assist where we're needed on the fly. Once all of the matches are finished and a player is crowned the winner of the esports portion, points will be allocated to the teams depending on what place their team member placed in the bracket. The competition will be broadcast live on Twitch so everyone can follow along and enjoy the competition. You will receive points for each of these events, but like last year, they are not weighted equally. The application build and pitch is worth 125 points, and esports is worth 75 points for a total of 200 points. However, you can earn up to 25 bonus points if you get to the final live round of the pitch competition. You can track how well you're doing on the website where we have our leaderboard. This will give you an idea of how you're doing against the competition. We will recognize first, second, and third place in each event and will award the championship belt to the team that has the greatest composite score. Again, let me reiterate to please check out the website for the various training resources we've provided to get you started. Also, register your team in Slack so you can communicate with our staff, your teammates, and others. We encourage you to use the variety of free collaboration tools out there: Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, Jitsi, and there's certainly others. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let us know. Starting tomorrow at 4 p.m., you're welcome to come to the lab on Dexter if you'd like to collaborate with your team and to pick up your swag. This space will be open for collaboration Friday from 4 to 6 p.m., Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and on Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Just let us know by sending an email to innovateAFITC@gmail.com at least 12 hours prior for planning purposes. We are looking forward to a great competition and wish you the very best of luck. Have fun.